Okay, hey guys, this is Demetrius again with Aquila Traders, and so I'm doing this follow-up video here because today is February 1st of 2024, and I did a video a couple of hours ago, just pretty much just summarizing what our trade results were for today. But I'm coming back to do another follow-up here because Nas 100 has just been wow, it's just been moving here in the off hours. And fortunately, I mean, our system was able to capture a lot of that. And so, if you look, this is the account that we were trading earlier. When I posted this video a couple of hours ago, maybe 2 hours ago, something like that, um, our balance was somewhere around 21,000, 22,000 or so on this account. And so we're trading a very aggressive strategy. So, in all transparency, we're using 100% auto trading. Our system is trading one of our very aggressive strategies. We affectionately call it Aquila Snipe. This strategy is very aggressive, just designed to go in and find market moves, sustained moves in the market. The risks are aggressive and the strategy itself is aggressive. But when we left off, we were, again, like I said, around 21,000, maybe 22,000, something like that. Our overall gain for today was about $2,500, I think. And so since that time, you see Nas 100 just pretty much took off in these afternoon hours. And these are normally hours that we would, not be in the market trading, not trying to trade anything, take any manual trades. But nonetheless, our system is scanning. It's operating around the clock for us, looking for signals, that tell us, hey, the market is getting ready, to head in a certain direction. And so since that time, our system has picked up several trades, and I'm going to go back into the account history here. At the end of the last video, we were in a buy, I believe, on Nas 100, and I kind of cut the video off because I wasn't sure where that was going to go at the time, but the system kept running. So let's look at these results here. So since that time, that had to be around 1,900 hours or so, 1,700 hours MetaTrader time. I'm going to go back to around that time to see what we've done since then. So right in here, between this 1,600 hours and 1,700 hours time frame. So this is around the time that I ended the previous video. And so since then, the system has seen a couple of other trades. Looks like we were in a trade on gold and we lost that trade. But Nas 100 is really what started to pick up. And so I want to show you some of these results here. So we had a couple of different trades, and this is just consistently taking profits from the market using this auto trading system. Again, in transparency, these strategies are aggressive, and the market does not behave like this all the time. There are a few opportunities that we're going to be able to see the market make these kind of moves, especially in these afternoon hours. So the blessing of a system like our Aquila Trader system is that it can scan these markets for you while you're busy doing other things. I personally had other things to take care of this afternoon, so I hadn't even been into the charts and looking at this, but it's a blessing that the system can be taking these kind of trades and getting me out of the market as well. And so we had several wins here. You see a $300, 270, 370, 360, 319. Again, keep in mind the size of this account. This account that we're trading is around $20,000 or so, at least it was. And so you'd have to scale this appropriately accordingly to the size of your account. But the trades that we're taking are on a percentage basis. So you decide what percentage of your account that you want to risk. For our aggressive strategy here, we're risking somewhere between 3 to 4% of the account when we're doing these aggressive strategies. Not all of that is at risk because our system very rarely hits stop losses. Because there's cues to take us out of the trade before the stop loss is hit. But nonetheless, the risk is usually set at about 3 to 4% or so on an aggressive strategy. When we're trading our standard strategies or in more conservative mode, normal mode, we're only risking around 1%, maybe 2% on the account, but typically around 1%. Okay, so just making sure you understand that we're trading this aggressive strategy on this size account to get these kind of numbers. So several $100 trades, but we've pretty much just been buying Nas 100 since Let me go back. Let's see. The last one is here. So since 1900 hours on the MetaTrader chart. And so that is since around this time right in here is where we started buying. The first buy is a little hid back behind here. And so all of these little blue marks on here is just a visual cue of showing me where we got into trades. And so our system saw the buy opportunity here, saw another buy opportunity, saw another buy opportunity. And as long as it saw that this buying momentum was being sustained, we continued to take buys. And so I'm going to zoom in a little bit to see what happened on this side. So you can see some of these buys look like we bought initially down here and we got up, we took profit here. We bought again right in this area. It looks like we bought again. When the market got up to here, we closed out again, took profits. Bought at this area, closed out again up here and took profits. And so this particular strategy is not allowing, not relying rather on trades to run for a long period of time, but as the market moves up, it's scaling off, taking a little bit of profits and continuing the trade. So you see these numbers started with around $200, $280, $290 per trade. Then it started to build up to $300, $390, and then $700, $770. The highest trade right here is TP3 was hit at $858. So that's a huge, huge trade there. So when I look at this total account history here, again, 2 hours ago, we're around $2,900, $2,500. We're at $10,400 up today. So this account alone has made close to 50% profit today. That's one trading day. Again, very aggressive strategies, but I wanted to capture this. I wasn't able to capture the actual live trades in and out, but I mean, you can see the results here. And so I'm going to do my little report here and just kind of pull this up so they can tell me. They can just show us the history of where our account is. So you can see from here, I'm going to blow this up a little bit. This is the history of all the actual trades from today. You can see these buy orders, which ones hit TP targets. Sometimes we did hit TP targets. As I scroll down here, these are all the profit ones from the last ones. Here's an occasional loss here. And this is going to show us, that we actually lost that trade on gold. And then the wins and losses. But this is what I'm getting to down here at the bottom. So this is what our account has looked like. Let's see. So the total P&L right here. So 10,427 or so is what the profits have been made from today. Let's look here. The gross profit was 15,000, and then we had losses of 5,000. So they gave us this total net profit. What I want to take a look at here is the percentage. What's our risk, win rate rather, on this particular one here. So you see we did have a drawdown. Today, the total amount of drawdown that this account got from the start of the day was $1,700. And then the percentage trades that we took over here. So we took a total of 87 trades. That's really roughly 1/3 of that, because every time our system executes a trade, it takes 3 entries. So we round that to about 90. It took relatively 30 separate trade opportunities is what we saw in the market today. And so our percentage win rate right here, profit trades, we profited 78% of our trades. So we won 78%, lost 21%. But when you see if I can get this at the bottom, I think my report's cut off a little bit because I zoomed it. I was going to see. Okay, yeah, here's our average. So our average trade amounts, you can see the average profit and the average losses here. But when we're 78% profit, we see we've had our largest trade was 858. The largest loss was 500. And so it's a balance here. And again, our system is making decisions to help us get in and out. But great trading day. Again, we do not see this very often. And it is a blessing to be able to capture these kind of moves. But That's the benefit of trading here. And on this strategy here for NAS, we're trading, as a reminder, NAS 100 on the 15-minute time frame, and the gold trades we were trading on the 30-minute. Okay, so hopefully you guys like this video, but I mean, huge. This is 50+% profits for today only, with 100% hands-free auto trading. So I invite you guys to at least take a look at some of the advances that AI is bringing to traditional trading markets like this. And we'd love for you to partner along with us. But please like our video here, subscribe to our channel, and you can see other updates here. And contact us. You can reach us through our YouTube channel, leaving comments there, or you can hit us on our Telegram channel and ask some questions, leave some comments here, and let us know how we can help you. We'd love to be able to teach you how to use systems like this to help advance your trading portfolio. Okay, thanks, guys. See you next time.